Praise the Trinity at the end of spiritual retreats with the Right Reverend. Trinity at the end of spiritual. So kukunin yung last three letters from the word spiritual. So UAL. Then with the Right Reverend D. Dual. Assuming praise ang definition. So dual. The Trinity at the end of spiritual. So UAL. Retreats with the right R. Then assuming reverend is the definition, praise is the anagram indicator. So ruwal. Allure. Lar. Huy. Wait lang. Di ba tama? Trinity. Tatlo sa huli ng word na spiritual. So UAL. Okay, so kung retreats is not a selection but deletion, tatanggalin. So ang matitira is spirit from the word spiritual. So sobra. Ba't ang hirap? One par lang naman. Wow! Gagamit ako ng hint. Indicator. Oh! Retreat reversal ang retreat, hindi siya deletion. Okay. The Trinity at the end of so UAL. Retreats with the right of the word reverend. So D. Okay, gets loud. Lord, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Check. I don't know kung mag-celebrate ba ako o hindi kasi kaya namali ako ng indicator sa retreat, akala ko tatanggalin, deletion or either selection. Reversal ang retreat. Okay, kasi retreat pabalik. For example, sa gera, retreat. Ay, ang dali sana. Sayang. Nasasayangan ako. Bye.